sometimes I see on Instagram or Facebook or things like that, people feeling frustrated about the lack of progress with therapy or medications or things like that. And I get that, I understand lack of progress can be frustrating. However, I also feel like maintenance is a really important thing that sometimes gets really overlooked. Like, if you originally started in a place where you were feeling perhaps suicidal, and now you're in a place where you're just maintaining not, you know, that can be big, that can be such an achievement in itself, to just each day not feel that way. You might be thinking, yeah, but I want to get to somewhere. I want to get this progress. But still, just maintenance can be really good. Just maintaining where you're at and enjoying a stage. You think, we've stopped making any progress. Imagine you're driving a car and you've got up to a certain speed and now you're trying to stay at that speed. You still have to put some work in to stay at that speed.